Hello and welcome to this marble painting activity. You will require paint, a container, a piece of paper, and some Scotch tape. And last, some marbles. Begin by placing the paper in the container and taping down all four corners. You will then go ahead and place some paint on the paper. If your child is old enough, have them do this step. Add the marbles and start rolling. The higher the edges are on the container, the easier it will be to contain the marbles inside. Your child will be practicing cause and effect, velocity and planes, and also color mixing. You may also add some more paint to fill the paper. And also, if you have different size balls, such as tennis balls or golf balls, go ahead and add them in as well.